Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
What is your name?
My name is Nasib.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak English, Dari, Farsi, Pashto.
Farsi and Dari are different?
Yeah, it's so please.
Okay, what you can say in Farsi?
شما خوب هستین؟ چیال دارین؟ و خیر هستین؟ It's my language, Dari. ایرانیان، فارسی. حال شما چطوره؟ خوبین؟ سلامتین؟
How I can say in Farsi? I bought a ring from you.
I bought
Ring.
من از شما انگشتر خریدم.
من
از شما
از شما
انگشتر
انگشتر
خریدم.
خریدم. انگشتر is ring?
Ring.
Okay. What you can say in Pashto?
Pashto is not good. It's so hard.
It's hard language.
Yeah.
I know very little bit.
Somebody speak, I know language, but
I think in Afghanistan many people can speak in English.
yeah, it's good.
It's easy for travelers to
Some
understand.
people can speak English and solve their problem.
How I can say in Farsi you are a good person.
شما شخص خوبی هستید.
شما شخص
خوبی هستید.
خوبی هستی. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Also.
Take care.